That's a good deal.
Yeah, so they're about $1 each. That's a good price. They're really handy to have. Okay, so we're having a few guesses here. We've
USB charger, plug, speaker, clock. That's what they're
it's
saying.
small and it's got weight to it.
I will tell you, it is not electronic.
It is not electronic.
Fitness watch charger.
It is green, or at least the packaging container that it's in is green, and it's not in a box. So the thing itself is in something else. Have a guess of that. It's not electrical. It's some form of liquidy thing that has a list of ingredients. Ooh!
Ooh!
So yeah, have a guess of what this is.
Someone says a charger. It's a light.
Probably have.
It's a frog. It is not a frog.
Oh, I wish it was a frog.
Do frogs have ingredients?
Oh, I see what that is. Actually, there's something on the prize wheel already that's very similar to this.
Yes, there is something on the prize wheel. I will give you a hint. It is for what kind of hint can I give here? Socks. It's not socks.
Oh, good guess.
It's something you put on, so that's a good guess. It is something that you put on.
A liquid that you wear. Ooh.
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 Oh, that's an
Ooh.
interesting.
A wearable liquid. And that doesn't mean it's a swimsuit. You jump in the ocean and you go, look at the lovely
Evans
ocean.
Family, bug spray, earplugs, hair gel, shampoo. Those are all great guesses, guys.
Shampoo's the closest guess so far just because of the packaging of it. Oh, here. There's the end of it. Oh.
Oh.
There's the other end of it. Oh.
Oh.
What was it? What was
drink.
it?
You don't ingest it, you put it on. Vitamins? Nope, it's nothing that you eat. It's something you put on. Foot spray? Well,
Foot spray? That's a good guess.
Oh! Aloe gel? Ooh, really good guess. Getting closer. Face mask, perfume. Getting closer. It is a skincare. It is a skincare type item.
And on Wednesday, there were two similar items that went up.
Last week.
Last week
we added aftershave firming gel.
Yes.
That's it.
That's the winner.
Firming and cellulite
Who
gel.
said
and the company is Lipowrap. Lipowrap. So the very first person that finds the Lipowrap lipo applicator defining gel. Lipo applicator defining gel. So the first person to find it, it's from Lipowrap. 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 Hi, Sam. We're back. I don't know for how long. I think our internet's really shoddy. I don't know what's going on.
We seem to be fairly solid right now.
And unfortunately, I couldn't pull the promo codes back, so we're giving them to you individually.
Yeah, so we're going to have to give each promo code up individually for you guys.
Yes.
So yeah, Lipowrap, lipo applicator defining gel for, what would lipo stand for? Short for?
This is the promo code.
So the first person who can find this item and put it in the chat, share the link in the chat for this exact item from this brand, Lipowrap, Lipowrap, Lipo Applicator Defining Gel. We'll get an extra draw on the prize draw, and then we'll do a spin. Boo, boo,
pew, 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 pew.
Well, it looks like we got a winner.
All right, who was that? Doris. Doris, you get a second draw on that prize wheel. Awesome, and
that's it.
I'm still digging to try to find the promo codes. So give me a little bit. It's taken me a minute to get through them because I've got all. It shows you hour by hour, so I'm still in. I was pulling the codes from 10 o'clock, and so I'm in the 11 o'clock, and I'm still trying to dive down. But the codes that are at the, it's hard to explain, but anyway, I'm having to dig, so I'm still trying to find them. Coral Roses, good job. She found it too. Awesome job.
Nice work.
Awesome job.
JC Mom found it.
Thank you so much for posting those links. And you know, it's such a great thing that you guys are doing for these companies when you go and search for their products. It helps them get their products ranked a little higher when everybody searches on them. The more searches they get, the better. So it's a good thing. It's a good thing when you're searching for stuff. If you want to help Amazon sellers out, you know, definitely click on their stuff and look at it, even if you're not purchasing.